to be an actress.
Engineer.
Be a doctor.
I want to be a pilot. A soccer player.
A teacher. Robotic engineer.
Imagine a South Africa where all children have access to quality education, where educators are equipped to inspire excellence, providing better opportunities for our children to realize their dreams. The reality is that the majority of South African government schools struggle to cope with a myriad of challenges, which means that educational outcomes are generally very poor. Research has shown that less than 20% of South African children have access to quality education, and 78% of grade 4 learners cannot read with comprehension. Partners for Possibility is addressing these challenges through an innovative leadership development program, which brings together school principals and business leaders into co-learning partnerships aimed at improving the quality of education.
Through partnership with business leaders, our program equips principals with the knowledge and skills to lead change and mobilize communities around their schools. Greater collaboration within the school's organization structure lead to significant improvements, including better academic performance and access to broader educational opportunities.
The program has won numerous national and international awards for its innovative approach to leadership development, and has been announced as number 86 in the world's top 100 NGOs in the Geneva rankings for 2019. Empowered with skills, knowledge, and confidence, principals are able to manage and lead their schools more efficiently, motivate their teachers, involve parents, and build networks of support to address the school's most pressing needs. Positive effects of the program ripple out from the principal to the teachers, the learners, their families, and the wider community.
Partners for Possibility is the most powerful leadership development program that I have encountered in a teaching career almost spanning 40 years. I have seen business leaders and principals at the beginning caught up in hopelessness and despair, and emerge a year later abound with possibility rather than problems, and firmly believing that it is in their hands to make a difference in the lives of all of those children at their schools.
Since the launch of the program, we have strengthened leadership capacity in and around more than 1,000 schools across 9 provinces. This has enriched the lives of more than 23,000 teachers and more than 750,000 learners. Going forward, we are committed to reaching 1,000 more schools by 2022, thereby giving another 800,000 children a better chance to get quality education. But in order to do this, we need help.
As a non-profit organization, we rely on funds from individuals and business sponsors like you. In an attempt to raise the much-needed funds we need to future-proof our business, we have established the Partners for Possibility Future Fund. We aim to raise 20 million rand in the next 3 to 4 years. By making a contribution to our Future Fund, you will enable us to make a meaningful difference and reach another 1,000 schools across South Africa.
We invite you to help us to develop the kind of leaders our country needs. With your support, we can send ripples of hope that will eventually become waves of positive change. Please help us to improve South Africa's education system so we can create a brighter future for all our children.
To make a donation, please visit pfp4sa.org or send an email to pfp@symphonia.net.